Yeah, I'll throw in
$2.
$2.
So that's 7 total.
7 total if you can get it down.
That was good. That was an action shot.
Yo, he was getting that all up in his mouth too for a minute. He kept it in there for a minute.
I thought you had it.
Did you swallow any of it?
Oh, it just reeks like cinnamon out here now.
Go spit it over there. Yeah.
That's terrible. Oh my god. I gotta go home. That's terrible. I need a drink. I can't talk.
Give me one. Give me one. Give me one.
Julie, grab me a beer, please.
Give me one.
Oh, I'm so fucked up right now. Ow. It's burning that little ball hanky thing in your mouth.
Now you got a shotgun there.
What happened to my beer?
That's so terrible. It's all stuck in my throat.
So I knew exactly what was going to happen. You put it in your mouth, you feel like everything's fine, and then you spit it out and it just puffs out in front of you like that.
I can see it. Still videotaping.
Yeah, of course.
I can see how somebody would throw up from that.
And it doesn't really seem like you throw up from it. It just seems like...
But you gag from it, so you're gonna throw up. Like, did you hear me just burn my house? A couple times I thought I almost did.
Good way to get you to pound your beers.
Alright, I guess that's in the video.